Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Amazon account. To log into Amazon account, you can either download the application or visit the official website amazon.com. Here, I will be using the browser. In the search bar, type in amazon.com. Now, tap on Sign In button. If you don't have Amazon account, you can tap on Create Account. But if you have, tap on Sign In and then enter your email address. Then tap on Continue. Now you have to enter your password here. I will use the saved password. Then tap on Sign In. And here you go. Now you are logged into Amazon account. Now you can enjoy AI-driven recommendations tailored to your preferences and also enjoy fast delivery of your products and services. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.